Hello everyone, welcome to BTech Wala. Before starting this video, I would like to congratulate who qualified JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and the date has come. Today is the date of the choice filling started, and in this video I would like to discuss what is the right strategy to fill the choices in JEE counseling. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. These are the some important dates from JOSA. Here you can see that October 6, 2020, 12 p.m. The counseling choice filling was started today, nothing but today, and this is the important dates. I think you can see here the first mock allocation of basis on filling candidates. I think the choice filling will be end at something like a 9th or 10th. Nothing. Okay, this is the second round and round 1, round 2 dates. This time there are only 6 rounds. Basically there are some 8 rounds previous years. Due to pandemic, they put only 6 rounds. JOSA is conducting only 6 rounds. This is the some flowchart regarding that counseling. JOSA counseling, online registration, online filling, locking choices. Now we are in this step. After this step there is a seat allotment which will be done after the rounds. Here you can see 3 options. One is freeze, float, slide. Freeze option means if you got one college from your choices, you want that college, you are okay with that college, then you will use freeze. The seat allotted seat in the particular college, you want wait for more rounds, you will use float option. Okay, this is slide option. If you like the institute but you don't want to join in that particular course, you want another course from same institute, you will use slide option. Okay, after this process there is a verification of document. Actually in previous years what the thing will happen means we will report to the particular institute at a particular date. They will give us some date and we should go between that some dates. Okay, we will go and verify our documents and report allotted institute. This is the end of the process, but due to coronavirus, this time this verification of document of particular institute and reporting the allotted institute, that both will happen online. Obviously it will happen online. I am not sure, but it will happen online, I think. Next thing, these are the cutoff of the 2020. According to your category, please check here. This is CRL rank and general EWS, backward and scheduled caste and scheduled tribute and PWD. PWD is nothing but physically handicapped or any physically abled persons. There is some special category. This is the previous year cutoffs, 2019, 2018. You can see. Okay, let's go to here. You can see the JOSA page. I will provide this JOSA link in the description. You can get there. Here you can see the online registration choice filling. Okay, I am just clicking on it. Okay, sorry, I already opened this tab. Here you can see I already filled the details, and there is some security pin. Let's type that. Okay, okay guys, here you can see I have logged into that preference page. Okay guys, here you can see the interference. Here you can see that total available choices and filling choices and unfilled choices and choosing locking status. Okay, it will be unlocked till the particular date that is given by JOSA, and automatically it will be locked Here you can see that candidate profile. We should check. This is the profiles. This is one of the profile, and you can see here profile, total available choices and filling choices and unfilled choices. I have filled some choices also, and I will show you demo. This is the choices availability session. Here you can see the all types of institutions, and there are some IITs and NITs and Indian Institute of Technologies and GFIDs, nothing but a government funded technical institutions, and there are all types of institutions and programs. Okay, here you can see the institution by some particular order. And now what is the strategy? The strategy is nothing but we should go from, I am staying in Andhra Pradesh. If I want to put a college, the main strategy is my personal strategy. This is nothing but we should go from our state to we should go from our state to okay, wait. Okay, here you can see the institutions, all institutions, Jaipur, Bhopal. There the main strategy is I am from Andhra Pradesh. If I want to put a choices, the smarter way is I will put my home state colleges as my preferences. You can see, suppose I want to go to NIT. Here the institutions are there. You can see Andhra Pradesh. NIT Andhra Pradesh will be there. This is the NIT Andhra Pradesh. NIT Andhra Pradesh is located in Tadepalligudem. Here you can see NIT Andhra Pradesh is located at Tadepalligudem. Here the courses, I will suggest only put the core courses, which is nothing but electronical communication engineering and EEE, ECE and IE and IT, and there are some courses, good courses, which was offering by JOSA, and civil and mechanical and aeronautical. These are some core courses, and there will be some life. It is my opinion, your wish you can put, and I will suggest don't put this type of institutions. Like in institutions, some institutions will offer like this food and technology and textile. I don't know why these courses are there. There is no life, I think. Once that is your opinion, this is my opinion. If you like this, you follow this. Okay, it's my personal strategy, I'm saying. Okay, after Andhra Pradesh, I will search for Warangal. Okay, NIT Warangal, which is one of the top NIT. This is the Telangana state. It is located. There will be some quota of AP also. You can search here, and we can put. This is the main strategy is our strategy is putting institution from our home state to other states, local states to other states. That is a good strategy. If I want to put these colleges, first I will put NITs from my home state to other states, and after that if I qualified only JEE mains, I will put NITs from home state to other state, and institution, there are some IIITs also. I will put IIITs also, and if I qualified JEE advanced also, I will give my first preference for JEE advanced based colleges, which is nothing but IITs, and after that I will give a preference to the NITs from my home state to other state. Here I want to have selected NIT Warangal. This is the Telangana. This is a neighbor state. There will be some quota of Andhra Pradesh also, so you can put NIT Warangal, which is one of the best NIT which I have seen. Okay, and how to add a course, I will show you that. Go to home and go for choice locking. Okay, and choice filling, I think. Here you can see that I already added the courses regarding my strategy, and that is the best strategy I think. Here I put uh, NIT Andhra Pradesh Civil, and after that Warangal, and I have selected some core courses, nothing but a civil, computer science and mechanical engineering, and AAA, nothing but electronical and electrical engineering, sorry, electrical and electronical engineering, the civil. Like that I put Warangal, and after that I put IIIT Sri City, nothing but a Chittoor. Okay, and here you can see some 5 years dual degree courses. If you are interested in physics, you love physics, means you can go through that, because this is your dual degree, and there will be a MTech qualified degree in some IITs, and IIITs are offering, I think, and there are some 5-year courses. Here you can see material science and metallurgical. If you are good at that side, you can go, and there are some mathematics 5 years course also. So you can search. Okay, here you can see mathematics 5 years integrated course, which is a master of science, means it is a like masters 5 years course, means it is equal to MTech. And mathematical computing, this is normal BTech course. Okay, guys, remember that if you are aware of this, that will be good. That's why I have done this video. And another thing, this choice filling will be done by our preferences, but if you put one choice, you must be ready to go. If you got that college, suppose I put NIT Andhra Pradesh. If I put my choice, the first choice as a civil engineering in Andhra Pradesh, I should ready to go. Okay, I should ready to go to this college, because when you put these preferences, you should put this on our mind. Okay, I think it was clear. I will stop this section. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share to our channel. And another thing, I will provide this JOSA link and some cutoff of this JEE. These links I will provide.